Hello friends, do you also want to create your own faceless YouTube channel but you're struggling to find content for making videos? Well, I'll teach you how to create a video for a faceless YouTube channel using Wikipedia as content. Wikipedia is an online encyclopedia that provides free content and is maintained collaboratively by volunteers around the world. It offers articles in various languages on a wide range of topics including history, science, technology, arts, and more. Wikipedia has an average of 10 billion page views every month. Now think if you can make video content with this unlimited data, what will be the result? It's a great opportunity for you. In today's video, I will share the easy and step-by-step process of making a video from Wikipedia content. So without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, we need to reach the topic or niche. We can use ChatGPT for researching the niche, but ChatGPT can't access web pages with the free version, but there is a free alternative. Today, I will use Google Bard. Open your browser and search for Google Bard. Now click on the first link. This is Google Bard, a conversational generative artificial intelligence chatbot developed by Google. Okay, come to the message box and enter 10 most popular Wikipedia niches. Google Bard will provide you the popular niches of Wikipedia. You can choose any niche from here. I will select the history. Now ask Google Bard for the 10 most popular history articles in Wikipedia. Google Bard will analyze the history articles of Wikipedia and provide 10 articles, which has the most page views. That means they are already popular. And we need exactly this. Now select one of them. I will select the first one, the World War II. After selecting your topic, come to Wikipedia and search for your topic. I will search for World War II. In this article, you will find every detail about World War II. If we can make a video with this article, it will be a great informative video for our viewers, but it's not possible to make a video with this article. Before making the article, we need to refine it. Just copy the article link and come back to Google Bard. Now ask Bard AI to rewrite the article in a shorter version for tutorial purposes. I will rewrite the article in under 300 words. You can use as many words as you want. Now Google Bard will analyze the Wikipedia article and rewrite a shorter version for us. And here is the result. It's impressive. If you don't like it, you can regenerate. We have written a script for our video. Now it's time to convert this script into voice. If you have a good voice, it would be great if you could do the voiceover yourself. But if you don't want to do it, you can use AI to generate the voice. We'll use a 11 Labs for voice generation. Check link in the description. I have brought the script in MS Word. Have you noticed that I have written a short intro for this video here? If you also want to make your video more engaging, you can write the intro for your video too, or you can also get it written by ChatGPT. Copy this script and go to this website to generate the voice of this script. You can check the link in the description. Paste it here and then select the voice of your choice from here, the one you like best. Click on this button to generate speech. After some processing, it will generate the voice. After that, click on this to download the video. Now that we have the voice, so the next step is to find some images or video clips to create the video, which we can use to visualize this topic. For finding videos or images, you can visit this website, and here you can search for videos according to your topic. You will find the link to this website in the description. Here are some other websites to find footage for your topic video. You will find the links to all these websites in the description. So now we have both the voice and the footage for this topic. We can combine them to create a video. For editing the video, I'll use CapCut here, which is a completely free tool. However, feel free to use any other editing tool of your choice. I have opened CapCut here to edit the video. Now first of all, import all the resources, script, voice, images, and some other stuff to make video more engaging. First of all, drag the script voice on timeline. After this, according to your voice, adjust the video clips or images. This will depend on your video editing skills. The better you edit the video, the more engaging your video will be. I will speed up the video here so that your time is not wasted and the video doesn't become too long. After arranging the clips, you can click on the adjustment for adding some effects to the video, go into presets and apply this particular effect and spread it throughout the entire timeline. Afterward, you can use this clip for adding an old effect to the video. You'll find link in the description. Dragging it will apply this effect. First, change its blend mode to screen. Then, copy and paste it across the entire timeline. Click on text and then auto caption. Here you will select the language in which you want to generate captions and then click on generate. After some processing, it will generate the caption of voice. You can see that captions have been generated. You can adjust these captions according to your preference. You can style it according to your preference here. You'll also see different templates from which you can select one or you can create your custom style. Before watching the final video, I request you that if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel so that you can receive all my upcoming videos. Now you can watch the final video, but if your editing skills are good, you can make this video even better.
Hi everyone. Today we're diving into the history of one of the most devastating wars in modern history, World War II. From 1939 to 1945, this war tore apart Europe and became one of the defining events of the 20th century. Throughout this video, we'll look at the events and outcomes of the war, putting events in perspective in order to gain a better understanding of the conflict and its impacts. So let's jump right in and explore the history behind the Second World War. World War II was a global war that lasted from 1939 to 1945. The vast majority of the world's countries, including all of the great powers, eventually formed two opposing military alliances, the Allies and the Axis. A state of total war emerged, directly involving more than 100 million people from more than 30 countries. The major participants threw their entire economic, industrial, and scientific capabilities behind the war effort, blurring the distinction between civilian and military resources. World War II was the deadliest conflict in human history, marked by 50 to 85 million fatalities, most of whom were civilians in the Soviet Union and China. Tens of millions of people died due to genocides, including the Holocaust, premeditated death from starvation, massacres, and disease.